Hey everyone, it is Andrea and today I'm coming at you with the October 2023 mystery. It's crazy because we only have 2 more months left this year after this, and it just seems like this year went so dang fast. October generally is a month where I do a winter type theme, great for December, January, February, etc. And this one fits right on into that. It is exclusive art, so you won't find this art anywhere else. And if you are looking to buy this kit and you are not subscribed to the mystery, I would definitely check out the buy sell trade group. But if you sign up next month, you will get a different kit, which you would be getting at the November mystery kit, which is gorgeous. So let's go ahead and get into it. So this month is a winter theme. It's like a winter home theme, very like muted soft colors, and I am obsessed. I especially love this scene here. I think this is going to be perfect for January. So let's go ahead and go through the ultimate kit first. I'm so excited about the foil bundle too. There will be extras of these coming to the shop, and you'll definitely need to pick up a few extra because they are beyond gorgeous. So let's go ahead and go through this. This is the mystery kit format, which is a little bit of a bigger format. So you do have the double boxes here, and these totally can be split apart if you only wanted to do like one double box scene or no double box scenes. You have some like knitting, coffee, reading, a bookshelf, a little outfit, and then kind of just like some blankets and wood for the fireplace. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I love these colors. I think they're so pretty for the winter time. Very cute anytime kit. These patterns are really pretty, especially the houndstooth and the terrazzo. It's just so gorgeous. Again, love these colors. You have the like trees as the bottom washi and then a gradient other bottom washi, a stack of sweaters. The extra color is this really pretty, it doesn't have the colors on it, pretty silver color. Super pretty with the doodles. And then this page here has some different fashion options as well as another scene here. So lots of different boxes, lots of different fashion people, and that is the October mystery. And then the ultimate kit does come with the foil bundle, and this one is matte silver snow. It's a little hard to see on camera, but it is a matte silver, and I think that matches so perfectly. I was going back and forth between matte silver and matte bronze, so I think both of those would be really pretty with this. Also, another one that'd be pretty would be ice or just regular silver, hollow, sparkly hollow. I think matte really goes nicely with this. So you do have 2 pages of the headers and full box overlays, and then you do have 2 pages of the snow bougie boxes, along with the new icons and script page, and the fancy headers, deco, date numbers, and the 15mm strips as well. So that is the ultimate kit. I hope you like this month's theme. I think it is so pretty for the winter time. And then let's go through the mini kit, which is the more affordable option. So let's flip through her. So this has the same full boxes, the same deco page, same glitter header page. This is the mini kit exclusive page, which with different size labels and little things. The bottom washi, this is the freebie page with the label sampler and the extra color. And then for the freebie in this one, the freebie is the matte bronze new mini icons. I just figured since I was going between matte bronze and silver, I figured for the mini, let's do some matte bronze. So that, my friends, is everything for this month's mystery. I hope that you love it, and it is perfect for the winter time, and I love this colorway. Let me know if you're going to be using the foil that comes with the kit or if you're going to pair something else with it. I would love to know. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video.